Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's Paul here. How are you today, Emily?
I'm doing great, Paul. So happy to be here with you. I'm excited for our topic today.
Me too. It's a really fun one. But before we start, we have a little message for all of you listening.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please give it a big thumbs up. A like really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe.
To Everyday English Talk channel.
You will see all our new episodes.
And share it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring.
Exactly. Okay, so are we ready?
I am so ready. Today, we are talking about American and British slang and idioms. That sounds a little difficult.
Oh, no, it's not. It's very easy and very, very fun. Slang is just fun, informal words.
Ah, okay. Like words friends use.
Yes, exactly. And idioms are little phrases. The words together have a special meaning.
I see. So you are from the UK, Paul. You use British English.
That's right. And you, Emily, are from the US, so you use American English.
Yes, and sometimes we use different words for the same thing. It can be funny.
It can be very funny. Let's start with a simple one. Food.
Ooh, my favorite topic. Okay, what is a famous food in the UK?
I love chips. I eat chips with fish. Fish and chips.
Ah, in America, we call those French fries, or just fries.
Fries. Yes, I know that word. So, what do you call crisps? They are thin and in a bag.
We call those chips.
Wow. So, my chips are your fries, and your chips are my crisps.
Yes, that is confusing and funny.
It is. Okay, another food word. What is a biscuit in America?
A biscuit is, it's soft. It's like bread. We eat it with butter or maybe with chicken.
Oh, that is very different. In the UK, a biscuit is sweet. It's what you call a cookie.
A cookie. Yes, I love cookies. So your biscuit is my cookie.
That's it. Good job. And my biscuit is, well, I don't know the American word for our biscuit.
We will have to find out. This is so interesting. What about clothes?
Good idea. Okay, I wear trousers. What do you wear?
I wear pants.
Pants. Now, be careful with that word in the UK,
Oh, why?
because in the UK, pants means underwear.
Oh my goodness. Really? That is a big difference. So I should not say, I like your pants in London.
No, please don't. They will look at you funny. You can say, I like your trousers.
Okay, I will remember that. Trousers. And what do you call a sweater? A warm shirt.
We call that a jumper. I have a nice blue jumper.
A jumper. That's a cute word. I like that. Jumper.
And what about shoes? The ones you use for sports.
We call them sneakers.
Sneakers. We call them trainers because you train in them.
That makes sense. Trainers. I like that too. Wow, so many different words.
It's like we're speaking two different languages sometimes.
It is. Okay, let's talk about cars and driving. This should be fun.
Ah, yes. In the UK, we drive on the left side of the road.
And in the US, we drive on the right. That's a big difference right there.
A very big one. And what do you put in your car? The fuel.
We put gas in the car from the gas station.
We use petrol. We go to the petrol station.
Petrol. It sounds a bit more official.
Maybe. And the big road where cars go fast?
We call that a highway or a freeway.
We call it a motorway.
Motorway. I have seen that on signs in movies. Okay, what about the front of the car, the glass window?
We call that the windscreen.
The windscreen. We say windshield, to shield from the wind.
And we say windscreen to screen from the wind. Very similar.
Yes, exactly. What about the place you put bags in the car, the back part?
That's the boot. You put your luggage in the boot.
The boot. Like a shoe?
Yes, but it's on the car. What do you call it?
We call it the trunk, like an elephant's trunk.
A trunk. Okay, car trunk, car boot. So many funny words.
This is great. I am learning so many new words from you, Paul.
And I am learning from you. That's great. Let's try some idioms now.
Okay, idioms, those special phrases. You go first. Give me a British one.
Okay, A very common one is Bob's your uncle.
Bob is my uncle? I don't have an uncle named Bob. What does that mean?
Bob's your uncle. It means, and there you have it, or it's that easy. For example, you put the cake in the oven, wait 30 minutes, and Bob's your uncle. It's ready.
Oh, I see. So it's like saying, ta-da!
Yes, exactly. Ta-da is a perfect way to describe it. Bob's your uncle.
I love that one. Bob's your uncle. Okay, my turn. An American idiom is to bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet. Ouch. That sounds painful. What does it mean?
It means to do something difficult that you don't want to do. For example, I have a big test tomorrow. I need to bite the bullet and study all night.
Ah, I understand. You have to be brave and just do it.
Yes, you just have to do it. Bite the bullet.
That's a very good one, very descriptive. Okay, my turn again. What if I am very, very happy? I can say, I am chuffed.
Chuffed? What a funny word. I have never heard that before.
That's the one. I got a promotion at work. I am so chuffed. It just means very happy or pleased.
I like that. Chuffed. It sounds happy. In America, if we are very happy, we might say we are on cloud nine.
On cloud nine. That's beautiful. Like you are floating in the sky.
Exactly. I passed my exam. I am on cloud nine.
That's wonderful. I think I like on cloud nine more than chuffed.
They are both great. Okay, what about when something is not true? A story.
Ah, if someone is telling a story that isn't true, we might say it's a porky pie.
A porky pie? Like a pie made of pork?
No, not at all. It's slang. It comes from rhyming slang. Porky pie rhymes with lie.
Oh, porky pie. Lie. I get it. That is so clever.
It is. So if your friend says something you don't believe, you can say, that sounds like a porky pie to me.
I'm going to use that one. In America, we might say, that's a tall tale.
A tall tale, because the story has grown tall and is not real.
Yes, a story that is hard to believe.
I like that. A tall tale. It's very clear. Okay, let's do one more. What do you say in the U.S. when something is very expensive?
We say, it costs an arm and a leg.
An arm and a leg. Oh my, that is expensive.
It is. I want to buy a new car, but it costs an arm and a leg.
Wow. In the UK, we can say, it costs a bomb.
A bomb. That also sounds very dramatic and expensive.
Yes. The price of houses in London is crazy. They cost a bomb.
Wow, it seems our idioms can be very traumatic. An arm, a leg, a bomb.
They are. But they make the language more fun and colorful.
They really do. This is so much fun, Paul. I feel like I am visiting the UK right now.
And I feel like I'm in the US. It's amazing how we speak the same language, but with our own special flavors.
That's a perfect way to say it. Special flavors. So let's review a few. If I want fries in London, I should ask for...
You should ask for chips.
Got it. And if I want to compliment your trousers...
Please say trousers, not pants.
Trousers. I will remember. And if something is very easy to do...
Then Bob's your uncle.
Yes! That's great! And if you are very happy...
I am chuffed. Or I am on cloud 9.
You can be both.
I can. This has been fantastic, Emily. It shows our listeners that there isn't just one correct English.
Yes, exactly. American English is great. British English is great. They are just a little different.
And it's fun to learn the differences. It makes traveling and talking to new people even more exciting.
I agree 100%. So, what do you prefer, Paul? A biscuit or a cookie?
Ooh, that's a difficult question. I think I like a British biscuit with my tea, but I also love an American chocolate chip cookie.
A very diplomatic answer. I think I like them both too.
See, we can enjoy both American and British things.
We can. And we hope all of our listeners enjoyed learning about these fun words and phrases today.
Yes, we really do. It was so much fun to share them with you all.
It was. And it just shows that learning English can be a really fun adventure.
Absolutely. And remember, it's okay if you don't know all the words. Native speakers sometimes get confused too.
That is very true. The most important thing is to communicate and have fun.
Exactly. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
It went by so fast. Thank you all so much for listening. We had a great time.
We did, and we would love to hear from you. Before you go, please make sure you are subscribed.
Every day. English Talk Channel.
Yes, and give this episode a like if you had fun learning with us today. It really helps our channel grow.
And please share it with anyone who's learning English.
We would be so chuffed to read your comments.
Yes, we would. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye.